Today we're going to go explore Warsaw and we are in the Old Town.
But apparently the Old Town was destroyed. Well, majority of it was destroyed during the wars, so they've rebuilt it.
I think most of Warsaw was destroyed in the Second World War.
So we've been learning a little bit about the history here. A lot has happened in the past 100 years. It's a very interesting place.
Yeah, so we're going to check it out. I'm not sure how old buildings are, but we'll see what they've got.
Yeah.
We stopped for some lunch and this place has a set menu. It's only 19 zloty and you get a soup, a main and a dessert. And it just so happens that the soup is their traditional cold soup and we have been trying to try this since we got into like these kind of countries. So let's give it a go. It's really good and refreshing on such a warm day. Very creamy. It's got dill in it. I love how they use dill in Europe. We had like a mushroom pizza and chicken with the couscous salad, which was really yummy. It's actually a lot of food for 19 zlotys. For dessert, it's a coffee panna cotta. Oh, this is a lot softer than I thought it would be. Oh, it's like a coffee custard. It's good. Just like most old little towns, look how cute this is. When I was in Lithuania, I noticed they had heaps of amber jewellery for sale and I wanted to get a ring, but I ummed and ahed about it, and then I thought, oh, I'll just get one in Poland. Big mistake, they're so much more expensive here. If you go to the Baltics, then get your amber jewellery in Lithuania because it is super cheap. Poland is probably 10 times the price. Might have missed out. Okay, maybe not 10 times the price, but definitely double the price. But I guess the stuff in Lithuania is more like costume jewellery and the stuff in Poland is more like proper fancy jewellery. So it depends on what you want really. But I think it might be out of my budget. Don't think Tim would approve. Well, I was wrong and Tim just bought me a ring. I'm so excited. This was handmade in Poland. He's such a sweetheart. I'm gonna wear it now. I must have really big fingers though because I had to get the guy to like resize them all so I could get it on. I am tickled pink. Look how pretty that is. Thank you, darling. Yeah. Check it out. So pretty. I feel very special. And if you're in Warsaw, this is the place that I went to get my jewellery. I actually have a lot of really interesting designs, so it's quite contemporary and all handmade in Poland. A lot of the other places are a bit fuddy-duddy, if you ask me. What do you think of the old town in Warsaw?
I like it. It's a lot like all the other old towns, except this one's a bit newer, obviously. But yeah, it's still a nice vibe. It's just so different to back home, so it's great.
We did the thing where we came here for a sneak peek the other day and it was a Sunday. Whoa, was it busy.
It was hectic.
It was crazy, and we're here on a Monday afternoon now and it's really actually quite pleasant.
Yeah,
it's really nice.
Pretty chilled out. Around 85% of the old town was destroyed during the war, and the fact that the Polish have rebuilt it like this It just goes to show their determination. It's really inspiring stuff.